Indeed, the complexities of friendship can be both fascinating and challenging. The saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed, highlights the value of true friends during difficult times. It's true that trust can be fragile, and sometimes even those we consider friends may disappoint us. However, genuine friendship endure, providing support and companionship when it matters most. My ZUC sounds like